Customer Service Executive.
Good morning, welcome to EasyCab. This is Govind. How may I assist you?
Govind, hi there. This is Vidya here. Can I talk to Hemant? I don't know if he's a supervisor with you.
May I transfer the call to my seniors, ma'am?
Yeah, that'll help.
Okay. May I please place your call on hold, ma'am? May I please place your call on hold, ma'am? I will transfer it on.
Sure.
Welcome to Easy Cabs, India's largest radio taxi service. Now book an Easy Cab at your fingertips. Download the Easy Cabs mobile application from the application center of your Android, BlackBerry, iPhone or Symbian phone. Welcome to Easy Cabs.
Thank you for staying on hold, madam.
Yes.
Right now, it's on the phone, madam.
Okay.
May I call back you within 15 minutes, madam?
Which supervisor is there on the floor?
Another person is there, madam. May I transfer it, ma'am?
Please.
India's largest radio taxi service. Now book an Easy Cab at your fingertips. Download the Easy Cabs mobile application from the application center of your Android, BlackBerry, iPhone or Symbian phone. Welcome to Easy Cabs, India's largest radio taxi service. Now,
thank you for staying on the line, Ms. Vidya. This is Divya. Ma'am, call has been transferred to me.
Yeah. Hey, hi Divya. So Divya, I don't know if you already have notes on my account there reflecting.
Yes, ma'am. May I know the consent for you?
To repeat the entire story, so I had booked the cab with you people on 23rd of March, which was Monday.
Okay.
I had availed the 10% discount, that discount code that you had sent me.
Okay.
I took the cab from Command Hospital to Kengeri.
Okay, ma'am.
The charge, the charge that you people messaged to me was 207 rupees.
Okay.
Your driver charged me 655 rupees. Post that, I spoke with one of your representatives on the floor. He said that he will inquire that and give me a reply on that. He did not turn back. I had to call back and I spoke with your supervisor Hemant. And
Sorry for the inconvenience. Right now the Hemant is not on the floor, ma'am. Please not to worry, ma'am. Provide me some time so that I'll check through the details regarding this and I'll be reverting you back with a call within today.
you just assumed the whole thing, and I'm not looking for Hemant, I'm looking for solution.
Sure, ma'am. Sure. Need not to worry. Where I'll be trying.
Alright, so with my last discussion, if you are listening, with my last discussion that I had with Hemant, he requested for 24 hours, post which he will get back to me with complete details on why there was a discrepancy.
Okay, ma'am.
He created, you're not listening, Divya.
Sorry, ma'am.
He created a bill which was made by him. It is not the Easy Cab bills that I usually get. Yeah. So he gave me the bill for 655 rupees. However, when I asked, can he see the bill on on his computer, he had no answers for that. Now my concern, now I had also told him that post 24 hours I will go on the social media, post the conversation that I had with Easy Cabs, because I have not been given any solution. Yeah. So it is 12 hours plus the 24 hours that he had requested for. I think it's time now I should get back. I should go on social media.
I'm so sorry for the inconvenience, Ms. Vidya. Please provide me some more time so that I'll right now escalate this issue to the concerned department.
And what are you going to do with that? What solution are you going to get back to me with?
Ma'am, I'll check through the details regarding the journey which you have been placed and the kilometer base you have been traveled, and I'll see through that, and from my side I'll try an alternative solution for this, ma'am.
What
I'll try my level best to
what
get an
is the solution?
as soon as possible.
What is the alternative solution that you're going to look for, Divya?
Ma'am, I'll check through the details for the reimbursement or the discount which will be transferred for next journey what you have been through.
No, I do not think I'm going to take any other cab with you people. This is the second time that I have a very unpleasant experience with you people.
Ma'am, I'm so sorry for the inconvenience, Ms. Vidya. Provide me some time so that I'll check through the details and I'll see through that you'll not be facing any problem regarding the service once more. I apologize for the name, Ms. Vidya. Please trust me this time so that you'll be getting your problem resolved as soon as possible, ma'am.
What is the soon as possible time?
Maybe within 3 o'clock where you'll be getting a call regarding this, ma'am, because as I'll be escalating this issue right now, so the concerned department will be providing you details regarding this and they'll be raising a complaint regarding this. We'll be taking your necessary
So
action.
I'll wait only till 3 o'clock next. Great.
Sure, ma'am.
Nice
Sure.
talking to you, Divya. Bye-bye.